Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 590 named an array tree post-order traversal. In this problem, we are given the root of an array tree and we have to return the post-order traversal of this tree's nodes value. So here, let's consider this example. The root is 1, which has three children, which is 3, 2, and 4. And 3 has two children, 5 and 6. So here, the post-order traversal is 5, 6, 3, 2, 4, and 1. Anyways, it is the basic explanation of the problem statement. I hope you understand it. Now let's understand the algorithm in the next section. Now here, to understand the algorithm, we have taken this example. The root is 1, which has 3 children, 3, 2, and 4, and 3 also has 2 children, 5 and 6. Now, we have to perform the post-order traversal. So here, let's understand the post-order traversal principle into a binary tree. Now, in the post-order traversal, we have to first traverse the left subtree, then we have to traverse the right subtree. After that, we have to process the root. Now, according to the post-order traversal principle, we have to process the children first, then we have to process the root. Now let's simulate the algorithm into this tree. Now our starting point is 1. So from 1, we have to process its children. So its children is 3. Now we have to process the children of 3. So the children of 3 is 5. So we have to process 5 right now. Now again, we have to get back to the root and return to its another children 6 and we have to process it. Now we will get back to its parent 3. Now we have to process the parent 3. So far so good. Now the call will be move into the root 1. Now from 1, we have to process its another 2 children, which is 2 and 4. So the call will be into this node 2. Now from 2, the call will be in the 1. Again, we have to call the 4. So we have to process it. Now we have to get back to its root 1. Finally, we have to process 1. So here, this is how basically the post-order traversal works in the array tree. That means we have to process the children first. After that, we have to process the root. And overall time complexity of this problem is big O of n, where n is the number of nodes in the tree. I hope you understood it. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. We are given a function named Postorder, which has a root as a parameter. Now we have to recursively call a DFS function into this root. And inside the DFS function, if the root is null, we have to simply return. Otherwise, we have to iterate each of the children and recursively call the DFS function into each of the children. And after completing iteration of each of the children, we have to process the root, which is we have to store the nodes value to the answer vector. Finally, we have to return the answer. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.